Before you start viewing the instructions on how to fix second monitor not detected problem, try connecting your display to another device. First, let's update monitor and display drivers. Right-click on Windows button, select Device Manager. In newly opened window in the list, expand Display Adapters category. Right-click on New Adapter, select Update Driver and then click on Search for Driver Update automatically. Now expand Monitors category, right-click on your monitor and select Update Driver. Then click to search for Driver Update automatically, wait for the process to finish and restart your PC. Now let's try reinstalling display drivers. Right-click on Windows button, select Device Manager. In newly opened window in the list, find and expand Display Adapters category. Right-click on your display adapter and select to uninstall device. Then check the box to delete all driver software and click Uninstall button. After the process is finished, click on Action in the Device Manager menu, then click to scan for hardware changes. Device Manager will reinstall your display adapter. After the process is finished, restart your PC. Now let's detect your second monitor manually. Click on Windows button, then click on Settings. In newly opened window, click on System and then on Detect button. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos.